Madam Dragon ran a school many moons ago. She taught young dragons all the things that dragons need to know. Zog, the biggest dragon, was the keenest one by far. He tried his hardest every day to win a golden star.
Huh?
All the dragons in year 1 were learning how to fly.
High, high, way up in the sky. Huh? Now that you've been shown, you can practice on your own.
And how the witch grinned as they sat on their broomstick and flew through the wind. But how the witch wailed, and how the cat spat when the wind blew so wildly it blew off the hat.
Down!
Cried the witch, and they flew to the ground. They searched for the hat. But no hat could be found. Then out of the bushes, on thundering paws, there bounded a dog with the hat in his jaws. He dropped it politely. Then eagerly said, as the witch pulled the hat firmly down on her head,
I am a dog, as keen as can be.
Ooh.
Is there room on the broom for a dog like me?
This is a rock as black as soot. And this is a snail with an itchy foot. The sea snail slithered all over the rock. And gazed at the sea and the ships in the dock. And as she gazed, she sniffed and sighed.
The sea is deep and the world is wide. How I long to sail,
said the tiny snail. These are the other snails in the flock, who all stuck tight to the smooth black rock. They said to the snail with the itchy foot,
Be quiet.
"Don't wriggle."
sit still.
Stay put.
The tiny sea snail sighed and sniffed.
I'm not a poo stick. Why can't they see? I'm Stickman. I'm Stickman. I'm Stickman. That's me. And I'm heading away from the family tree.
Stickman is swimming. He swims on and on.
Huh? Ooh. All right. Huh?
Stickman! Stickman!
Oh, beware of the swan! Huh?
A twig, says the swan.
This twig is the best.
Oh, it's the right kind of twig to weave into my nest.
Huh? I'm not a twig. Why can't they see? I'm Stickman. Stickman. I'm Stickman. That's me. It's a Gruffalo.
My favorite food.
The Gruffalo said.
You'll taste good on a slice of bread.
Good,
Said the mouse.
don't call me good. I'm the scariest creature in this wood. Just walk behind me and soon you'll see everyone is afraid of me.
Afraid? All right.
Said the Gruffalo, bursting with laughter.
You go ahead. And I'll follow after.
One snowy night, when the Gruffalo snored, the Gruffalo's child was feeling bored. The Gruffalo's child was feeling brave, so she tiptoed out of the Gruffalo cave. Snow fell fast, and the wind blew wild. Into the wood went the Gruffalo's child.
Aha. Oh, a trail in the snow. Whose is this trail? Oh. And where does it go?